NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 50 series, unveiled at CES 2025, represents a significant leap in graphics technology, introducing advanced AI-driven features and substantial performance enhancements over previous generations. Key features: 1. Blackwell architecture. The RTX 50 series is built on NVIDIA's new Blackwell architecture, featuring 4th-generation ray tracing cores and 5th-generation tensor cores, enabling advanced AI-driven rendering and real-time ray tracing. 2. DLSS 4. The introduction of deep learning supersampling DLSS 4 brings multi-frame generation, utilizing AI to generate up to 3 frames per rendered frame, significantly boosting performance and visual quality. 3. GDDR7 memory. These GPUs are among the first to feature GDDR7 video memory, offering increased memory bandwidth for improved performance in gaming and professional applications. Product lineup and pricing. The RTX 50 series includes from models: GeForce RTX 5090, the flagship model with 32 GB of GDDR7 memory, priced at $1,999. GeForce RTX 5080, equipped with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, priced at $999. GeForce RTX 5070 Ti comes with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, priced at $749. GeForce RTX 5070 offers 12 GB of GDDR7 memory, priced at $549. Availability: the RTX 5090 and RTX 5080 models became available on January 30, 2025, while the RTX 5070 Ti and RTX 5070 are expected to be available starting in February 2025. These advancements position the GeForce RTX 50 series as a powerful option for gamers, creators, and professionals seeking top-tier performance and cutting-edge features in their computing experience.